Hey babes, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Do you like my little get ready with me outfit in my sweatpants? So as you can see, I did my makeup and now we're gonna do my hair. So I'm gonna start off with some dry shampoo. This is like a third day hair. This hairstyle is definitely perfect for that because I'm gonna be putting in so much hairspray to hold it. And then when I take it out, I can wash my hair. I only wash my hair about once a week. If you guys are interested in seeing all about how I care for my hair, I do have some videos on that as well. So now we're gonna brush the hair out and just make sure that there's no tangles. So for that, I'm using my wet brush, and I absolutely love this brush. I use it when my hair is dry and when it's wet, and it's literally worked better than any brush I've ever had before. So this is how long my hair is. It is a little bit past my bum, so yeah, let's crimp this hair. So the crimper I will be using, I will link down below for you guys. It's this one from Amazon, and I thought it was just super cute. That's the only reason I got it. But yeah, it actually works really, really well. So the first thing we're doing is we're gonna section the hair. So the first section is just above the ear, and I'm going to just pin this up with a hair clip, and then we're gonna go in and just start crimping. And as soon as I wash my hair, when I put the products in, I do put some heat protectant spray, so I do have that in my hair, just not from this particular day. So once this section is done, I'm going to kind of put some hairspray to hold that in and scrunch it up. So kind of just to work the product in, and then I will also hairspray the end result with all of the hair crimped. And now we're gonna go on to our second section. So this is the end result on my hair and what it looks like. Let me know if you guys like this look. I definitely love it. It's very, very different than my usual hairstyle, which is just pin straight. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you enjoyed this video by liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to check out my description box for all of my socials and my discount codes. And as always, I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!